Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so glad you are here. I'll be sharing Learn to Make Funny Faces. Eyes in the cartoon are drawn to show expressions. They can be circular, they can be oval, larger than the life, or just two dots. Mouths in cartoon. Just like the eyes, mouths too can be used to convey the expression of cartoon character. A crescent shape can be used to make the character smile, or it can be turned upside down to show him or her crying. Noses in cartoon round, pointed, flat, or hooked. These and many other kinds of noses can be used to make your cartoon funnier. Ears in cartoons rounded ears, triangular ears, ears that are broad at the top and narrow at the base, ears that are narrow at the top and broad at the base. Don't draw hands and feet in the great detail for cartoon characters. Keep them simple. You need not draw nails of the fingers. A hand with three fingers, thumb won't be considered wrong in a cartoon. Different hairstyles can make the same cartoon character look different. All the faces drawn below have the same similar features and hairstyles. The distance between the eyes, nose, and mouth are also uniform. Try these steps and become a cartoonist yourself. I hope you all enjoy my content and find it informative and entertaining. Like this video if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends and family who might have appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for exciting content and also hit notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.